Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the process of removing a member from your list in X using your Android device. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the small circular icon that represents your profile picture. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Scroll through the options or tabs within your profile settings until you find the option labeled Lists. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Create a new list or select an existing one that you want to manage the members for. Enter the necessary information or items in the list. Step 5. Locate the option to edit the list and tap on it. This will allow you to make changes to the list, including managing the members. Step 6. Within the editing options, find and tap on the option labeled Manage Members. Step 7. This will bring up the list of members associated with your list. Tap on it to view the members. Step 8. Find the specific member you want to remove and tap on the Remove option next to their account. And there you have it. You have successfully removed a member from your list in X. Now, you have full control over the members in your list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updated guides and useful tips. Thank you for watching.